One of Trump's co-defendants, Mark Meadows, will head to court to try and get his case moved from Fulton County to federal court. Legal experts believe Trump may try to do the same. Trump and 18 co-defendants now have 1 week to turn themselves in on criminal charges related to efforts to overturn Georgia's election results. 11 Alive's Jerry Carnes explains why a defendant would want to move his case.
He has tried it before. In New York, former President Donald Trump has tried and failed to move criminal charges he faces there from state to federal court. Legal experts like Georgia State Law professor Karen Myers Morrison fully expect Donald Trump to try again in Georgia.
It's not speculation, he will do it because he tried it in New York, and here he actually has a better case.
Federal law allows any officer of the United States charged with a crime while in an official capacity to move their case to federal district court. The indictment charging Donald Trump with conspiracy in Fulton County also names his former chief of staff, Mark Meadows. In his request to move his case to federal court, Meadows claims charges against him are the result of phone calls and meetings he arranged as part of his service as chief of staff. Morrison says in federal court, a jury would be selected from an area of North Georgia beyond Fulton County.
Likely more Republican-leaning potential jury pool. Not that it would necessarily be a Republican-leaning jury pool, but it wouldn't be as Democratic-leaning as the Fulton County one would be.
Former federal prosecutor and UGA law professor John Meixner says while it does happen, the transfer of a case from state to federal court is rare. He points out that some of the charges against Donald Trump are for acts that took place after he left the White House. Former New York prosecutor Cy Vance says the former president could use the federal system to delay his case.
It's all about the Supreme Court. My speculation is that he feels that's a court that will help him on these questions of law.
Legal experts agree. While it's a logical path for the former president to try, moving his case away from the Fulton County courthouse will be a major challenge.
A judge would have to decide if Donald Trump was acting in his official capacity as president when he protested the 2020 election results. Again, some of his actions that resulted in criminal charges took place after he left office. Now, this is a very complex and evolving story, and 11 Alive has got everything you need to know to keep you up to speed, from the charges to what's next for the former president. All you have to do is text the word RICO to the number you see on your screen, and we will send you a message straight to your phone. That number is 404-885-7600.